Now faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen.
This is the day the world never wished to see, the resurrection of the dead, enemies will flee. And though my wing had a wound, I had to fly. Ignore the pain that I felt, lest I fall and die. And people died as I slept. I woke up and I woke up in the dead, get to breathe by the breath of my breath. We tear at each other and feed on each other. We've been cursed to forget we came from one father. Jealous of sacrificing all the values of our souls, cause we learn to benefit from another man's loss. The world is in us and we eat of the fruit. I wonder if every baby is a newborn recruit. My soul cannot survive cause I'm bleeding from my evils, and every day that passes carries spiritual upheavals. The world made a plan to marry me. I'm hidden from his face till they get to bury me. Get my coming straight from the grave, I say. And those who got the ease got the words we said. We fly from the sky, angels behind us, coming straight from the grave, I said. We coming straight from the grave, I said. And those who got the ease got the words we said. We fly from the sky, angels behind us, coming straight from the grave, I said. Lord, I dreamt I died in my sleep, but my soul didn't keep it. I think about my death, will I see a demon's face? I'm tortured by the world in the jungle of the street, cause my spirit is convicted for the sins I didn't commit. But maybe there's a reason I can't see with my eyes. Gotta take a bit to comfort that Jehovah is so wise. My body is a prison for my soul, and every day I've tested cause hell manifested. So even if I die, the world's not my home. I try to keep my courage cause I know I'm not alone. My life has been a battleground for spirits in the air. I guess I think I'm dumb and I shall never be aware. Since troubles my homie, all I knew was melancholic. I had to fight so hard to stop me being an alcoholic. When rappers rhyme or reaches what we rhyme about the teachers, cause brothers get to die despite the fame and the riches. The multitude desire, they may see the resurrection, but maybe it's before them to bring an insurrection. So open up your heart, get to rise from the casket. Open up your eyes, walk with the madman. Straight from the grave, I say. And those who got the ease got the words we said. We fly from the sky, angels behind us, coming straight from the grave, I said. We coming straight from the grave, I said. And those who got the ease got the words we said. We fly from the sky, angels behind us, coming straight from the grave, I said. I was cursed by a blessing no man can understand, but if he was alive I know he didn't lend a hand. Perhaps we get to rhyme and they think it's competition, but those who got the eyes get to see it's a mission. No matter where I go, my destination is my grave. Lord, I pray before my death that the spirit may be safe. We conquered the earth as we came from eternal. Rhyming as we did kept you safe from inferno. So even when I sin I can never blame the devil, cause life has got choices, in us we got voices. My past was a journey to paradise or to hell, but I feel by my confession I'll be getting out on bail. When time falls asleep and I'm thinking of my dreams, the purpose of my life are the seeds to redeem. My lyrics are heroes of respect on his tomb. I wonder where's the soldier when the city is in doom. We came back incarnated as a ghost in the flesh, so maybe after death I find myself a place when the angels descend, take possession of my soul. Maybe after death I find myself a place when the trees get to grow and my mission is complete. Said maybe after death, Jehovah, I find myself straight from the grave, I say. And those who got the ease got the words we said. We fly from the sky, angels behind us, coming straight from the grave, I said. We coming straight from the grave, I said. And those who got the ease got the words we said. We fly from the sky, angels behind us, coming straight from the grave, I said. Coming straight from the grave, I said. And those who got the ease got the words we said. We fly from the sky, angels behind us, coming straight from the grave, I said. There are those who die and those who sleep, but death are two faces. Trubidu 2345, yeah.